Okay, people, this is a new project. Man, this place here look like about 30,000 square feet. I'm not exaggerating. This is a adult male, what do you call it? Daycare. They got everything here. They got auditorium. You look at the size of this auditorium. Yeah. Look at the size of this auditorium. We're cleaning. I'm trying to get the maintenance job for this. They haven't me do the cleanup. It was closed up since the COVID. Now they're ready to open. I got a job to clean it all up. Look at that. And then they got a lot of different rooms. Up there. And this is a computer room right here. And it's 2 floors. They have upstairs, which we do most of the work yesterday. Rooms, bathroom. It's huge. This is another entrance. Cleaning up. This is a kitchen. They're upgrading this kitchen, putting in cabinets and all that. Okay, I'm going to show you upstairs now, which we do clean up most of that yesterday. We're going up the stairs. Okay. It's another room. Rooms. Like I say, it's a male daycare. Rooms. This looks like a classroom. Rooms. Rooms and rooms. This one look like it's a music classroom. All these right here, keyboard of all nature. Classroom. Rooms on top of room. This look like where people get their nails done. This is a small kitchen. Rooms. A male daycare. And then up here now they got a pool room. It's a big pool room. Okay. And then around here now, you got a table tennis room. It's a male daycare. It's huge. Huge. Rooms and rooms. Johnson Cleaning Service. This is what we do. This is what we do. All right, catch you later.